Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download a modded version of Episode. So let me open up the game, and as you can see, we're pretty broke, but I'm going to turn on unlimited gems and I'm going to see if it works. Come on, bro, let's change our episode experience. Whoa, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version of Episode onto your device for iPhone and Android. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing we have to do is go to our browser, and we're going to go onto tweakmod.com. It's a website that has a lot of mods. We're going to type in Episode, and there's the mod. Press install. And now we're just going to wait for it to download. So before it downloads, you may have to do a little verification where you have to download 2 apps and complete instructions 100% for free from the official store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So let's just wait for it to load up here, as you can see. So yeah, it's not very hard, but some people get mad because they don't know how to do it. So I'm going to give it my best shot to explain to you guys how to get the episode mod. So let's just wait for it to load up here, as you can see. All right, and then we should be good to go. So here it is. Now it's going to bring us to the page where it says missing files are required. So basically what we have to do is download 2 of these apps and like complete the instructions. They're 100% free from official store. So for instance, Misplay, you just download it, and it said download and play this app, then play 4 games for 5 minutes. Then we got Cash Giraffe, download and collect 15k coins within 30 days. Playful Rewards, down, install, recommend, complete milestone 1. So there's always going to be different apps. These are just the ones they're showing me right now, but there is a video to watch if you're confused. But it's super cool, guys. So if you're interested in getting a episode mod, be sure to try it out for yourself. It's super cool, guys, and this is totally updated. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, and peace out.